So, you're probably wondering who would win in a fight, AI or human? In this corner, we have AI. It's a computer program that can beat humans at their own games. It can also generate realistic images and videos from text prompts. It can write code, summarize research papers, even help with medical diagnoses. The only thing it can't do is play nice with others. In this corner, we have a human. They have the advantage of being able to experience the world through their senses. They can also be creative and use tools in novel ways, but they're limited by their own intelligence and their own physical capabilities. So, let's see. Can AI beat a human at their own game? Well, it depends on the task. If it's a game of chess, Go or StarCraft, then AI wins. But if it's something that requires creativity and ingenuity, like building a house or painting a picture, then the human wins. What about real-life tasks? Well, it depends on the task. But in general, AI is very good at following instructions and doing things repeatedly. So if it's something that can be broken down into a series of steps, like making a reservation at a restaurant or booking a flight, then AI wins. But if it's something that requires more nuanced judgment, like hiring a new employee or deciding whether to approve a loan application, then the human wins. So who do you think will win in the end?